What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use Linktree for affiliate marketing. So this one is pretty easy. Just need to follow my steps and you can pretty much do it. So as I said, this application is best for promoting your all of your social media accounts or whatever online shopping you have or online platform you have. And this is the best application to promote it because this application lets you connect all of your social media accounts in one link. So your personal link tree, that's why it's called Linktree. In your link tree, you can add more of your social media link and you can add many of them and they will be stored in just one link that you can share in your social media like Facebook, like Twitter or Instagram, etc., TikTok, and that's it. You can download it on Google's Play Store or App Store. It's free and it's good. And you can create a free account and it's easy to create an account. And after that, after you create your own account, just open your link tree and in order to add a new link, just click this button, add new link, and you will need to enter your first URL of your first social media account or social platform. And for example, for me, I'm just going to go to my Shopify right here. Just wait right here and I can copy this link and I can go back to Linktree and paste this link in this blank. And after that, I can click enter and it will add my first link of Shopify. Then I can click this right here, button right here on the left, and for them to change my name of my first link. And that's it. Example, I'm gonna name it Twitter Shopify. And that's it. I added my first marketing social media link and my link tree. And you can add more of this like Instagram or TikTok or Twitter and whatever social media you have. And for example, this is my Instagram. I can just copy its link, my Instagram link. After I copy it, I can just go back again to Linktree and paste it right here. Wait, just click that, add a new link, paste the URL, click enter. After that, it will add this. You can just rename your link right here. Peter's Painting. I'm gonna name it. And after that, you can just click share right here on the top right. And it will show you this. This is your personal link of your link tree. And you can just copy it and share it on your other social media account. And if you open the link, it will redirect you to this page right here, and you will see your personal link tree. And in my case, this is my link tree, and under this you can see my social media accounts and I can just click to them and it will redirect me to their page. For example, this Shopify, I can just open it. And right here, this is the best way to promote all of your social media account in one link. And that is how useful Linktree is for marketing. And that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.